In this video, we'll learn how to use rotate copies in SketchUp. Now, rotate copies is a very interesting feature which you can access either by right-clicking on the toolbar, go under Customize Toolbar, and you can find it right here. So if, for example, we drag it over here, we'll have rotate copies in our toolbar. Or you can also go over here on the help, and you can see that under path rotate copies we can find it. So it's layer, path, and rotate copies just above the scissors. Now let's use the rotate copies in this example. So let's create a rectangle, and we're gonna click on rotate copies, and as you can see, this menu will open, and it will ask you how much copies do you want. So number of copies, in this case, let's use 12. So it tells you over here that you will have 13 layers in total. So let's click on OK, and as you can see now, what happened is that you basically rotate copy duplicated the rectangle in 12 times, and or actually 13 times, and it allows us to have this handlebar in which we can literally move around and select the distribution and the size of these rotated copies. So this can be very useful in different ways. And as you can see on the left, basically what rotate copies did is created multiple layers. So it's not grouped, and this can be, useful, and you can also group them depending on what you want to achieve. But overall, it's a very interesting feature, which you can create all sorts of different things and shapes. So if for example, you want to create a lot of stars, so let's say 20, and we can literally create something around these lines. And yeah, I mean, there's a lot of applications. Sometimes you might want more copies, other times you just want maybe a few of them, but it's something to have to keep in mind, because it can really be a time saver. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.